Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to count colored cells in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're managing data with color-coded categories and need quick counts without manually tallying everything up. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and applications. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to count colored cells. This opens up your Google Sheet and you'll see all your data displayed on the screen. Make sure you're working with the correct file before proceeding to the next step. Now, at the top of your screen, click on Extensions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools that extend the functionality of Google Sheets. In the Marketplace search bar, type Function by Color. This is the add-on we'll be using to count cells based on their background colors. Once it appears in the search results, click on it and then click Install. The installation process requires you to grant certain permissions to the add-on. You'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll see a permissions screen with several checkboxes. Check all the checkboxes to grant the necessary access, then click Continue again. The add-on needs these permissions to interact with your spreadsheet and analyze cell colors. Now wait a moment while the installation completes. Once it's done, you can close the installation window. With the add-on installed, click on Extensions at the top again, then select Function by Color from the drop-down and click Start. This opens the Function by Color panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure all your settings for counting colored cells. First, you need to select the range of cells you want to analyze. Highlight all the data that contains colored cells by clicking and dragging across the area. Once selected, copy the range reference that appears in the name box, then paste it into the Select Range field in the Function by Color panel. Next, you'll see a bucket icon in the panel. Click on it to select the color you want to count. For this example, let's choose yellow. The add-on will now focus on counting only the cells with that specific yellow background color. Under Use Function, you'll see various options for what you want to do with the colored cells. For this example, select Count Numbers. This tells the add-on to count how many cells in your selected range have the yellow background color. Now select a cell where you want the results to appear by clicking on the Paste Results to field. Click on an empty cell in your spreadsheet where you'd like the count to be displayed. Once you've selected the cell, click Insert Function. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done processing, the count of yellow-colored cells will appear in your chosen cell. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's try it with another color to see how flexible this tool is. Change the color selection to red by clicking the bucket icon again and choosing red. Then select a different cell in the Paste Results to field so you don't overwrite your previous result. Click Insert Function and the add-on will now display the count of red-colored cells. Let's do one more example with green. Change the color to green using the bucket icon, select another cell for Paste Results to, and click Insert Function again. Now you'll see the count of green-colored cells displayed in your spreadsheet, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to count colored cells in Google Sheets using the Function by Color add-on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.